everyone, this is me Jolly Yadav and you're watching me on Janith Realty. And today in this video, we are going to discuss the much awaited project of DLF. That is the talk of the town right now. We are going to discuss DLF Privana. Welcome to the new chapter of luxury living. Today we are here on an exciting journey of innovation, legacy and future growth. From DLF's rich history of shaping Gurugram's skyline to its landmark upcoming project, we are here to explore what makes Gurugram, the city of dreams, the perfect place for this grand vision. DLF is a name known for trust and excellence, and it has been a major force of growth in Indian real estate market. Since decades, DLF has laid a strong foundation of quality and forward thinking, and they continue to do so. With their upcoming new launch property, they are again going to change the skylines of Gurugram's real estate market. Whenever we talk about Gurgaon, DLF comes naturally in mind. Either Gurgaon made DLF or DLF made Gurgaon. Cyber City is one of the most iconic projects of DLF, and I'm not going to talk about the other projects because we all are already aware. In this video, I am only going to discuss its upcoming project. Specifically, I am going to talk about DLF Phase 6, which is the talk of the town and everybody is discussing about it. DLF was founded in 1946 by Chaudhary Raghvendra Singh. Initially, he started with building residential colonies. Currently, DLF is the largest publicly listed firm in India and they are present across 15 states of India. DLF Phase 1 was launched in 2003 and currently they have completed 5 phases of it. Some of the most iconic projects of these phases are Camellias, Magnolias and Aralias, out of which Camellias has been mostly in news. Lastly, it sold an apartment worth 190 crore. Yes, Camellias was launched back in 2014 and the cost of this apartment back then was just 15 crores. And in the short span of 10 years, the property appreciated beyond expectation. So this is the value of DLF properties. Everything you see on Golf Course Road, be it roads, infrastructure or anything, it's all because of DLF. Now let's talk about the most exciting part, that is DLF Phase 6. So basically DLF Phase 6 has 500 acres of land area. DLF Phase 6 will have Cyber City 2, which will be 3 times bigger than Cyber City. Apart from that, there will be American Express, Air India Training Center and corporate greens. Plus, there's also going to be a mall developed inside this phase, which will be the biggest and largest mall of North India. DLF is going to develop everything in Phase 6. So you can imagine the capital appreciation and the lifestyle that this property is going to offer you. So owning any kind of property here means a win-win situation. Now DLF is preparing to launch Privana North. This development is going to be in 20 acres of land area with just 6 iconic towers. There will be 14 to 15 acres of lush greenery inside the project. You can own a 4.5 BHK apartment in this luxury development. Sizes will be approximately 4,000 to 4,200 square feet. Apart from that, there will be n number of exclusive amenities. Let's talk about the location. So this is sector 76, 77 Gurugram. It is very close to NH8. Dwarka Expressway is 5 minutes from this location. It is also very close to SPR Road. Plus, there are 4 golf courses nearby along with top schools and hospitals. Apart from that, special highlight of this property is there is a proposed 10,000-acre jungle safari nearby, which you can check on the government website. Plus, biggest USP of owning a property in Privana is you will get a lifetime view of the Aravallis from your balcony. So guys, DLF is not just a name, it is a trust. People invest in DLF properties because they give an ecosystem and community living that no other builder gives. Guys, if you want to be a proud owner of DLF property, do not miss out on this opportunity. Currently, DLF Privana is the most demanded project of whole of North India. So if you want to secure a premium unit in DLF Privana, give me a call on the number present on the screen and schedule your site visit. And guys, that was all about this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content. I'll see you in the next one.